Dr. Casebolt, and I understand that you're here to talk about ED. And I'm just going to share with you the things that we do to try to make sure that you get full erectile function back. So I'm going to start first of all with one of our foundational things that we do, and that is to measure your testosterone level. Here's the deal. The penis, of course, is rich in testosterone receptors. Those receptors have to be activated by testosterone in order to work. Testosterone also does something else really important, and that is it helps you make nitric oxide. So I don't know if you've ever heard of this guy, but he actually got the Nobel Prize back in 1998 for his discoveries of nitric oxide. So nitric oxide helps the arteries dilate so the blood can flow in. So obviously you have to have arteries that are able to dilate in order to produce an erection. So testosterone not only activates the receptors, but it also helps you to produce more nitric oxide. Now, another thing that relates to nitric oxide, we actually have a way to test for nitric oxide. So when patients decide they want to work with us, it's a very simple free saliva test. We'll find out if they're in the light pink zone, which is deficient, or the dark pink zone. If you are in the light pink zone, we have a very effective supplement that you take once a day that will produce that nitric oxide. So one of the reasons that Viagra even works is because of its ability to prevent the breakdown of nitric oxide. So nitric oxide plays a huge role in erectile function.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Form Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.